Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE100 rose 0.11% to 10,345.29. In Europe, the CAC 40 fell 0.32% and the DAX declined 0.75% as investors reacted to renewed tensions between Iran and Israel. In the US, markets were stronger overnight. The Nasdaq gained 1.16% and the S&P 500 added 0.74%. In company news, food ingredients group Tate Lyle has agreed to a £2.7 billion takeover by a US rival, highlighting continued consolidation across the sector. Podcast advertising company Audioboom has ended its sale process after reporting record first-half trading and improving confidence in its standalone strategy. Against sterling, the US dollar strengthened slightly, while the euro, Japanese yen and Australian dollar weakened. The Swiss franc was little changed and Bitcoin fell 0.28%. In commodities, copper rose, gold declined, Brent crude surged 4.46% on geopolitical concerns, and natural gas moved lower. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great day.